Hi, my name is Stefan Niederauer, and along with Azmi Ahmad and Benjamin Fogg, we are Wacian Medical, and we're developing the Pleth patch for global surgical use. Now, there are nearly 5 billion people that lack access to safe and affordable surgical care, and the poorest 2/3 of the world only receive less than 1/3 of all surgical procedures performed each year. In addition, there's an unmet surgical need for 143 million procedures annually, and nearly 17 million people lose their lives from surgically correctable procedures each year. There are 70,000 ORs that lack basic SpO2 or pulse oximetry technology, and 33 million people face a catastrophic financial burden of seeking health surgical care. That led us to the conclusion that there is a need for an affordable way to continuously monitor vital signs in the perioperative setting. Now, in the current market, there's a significant gap for low-cost devices slated towards high-risk patients, and that's the gap we aim to fill with our device, the Pleth patch. Now, the Pleth patch uses the established photoplethysmography technique to measure heart rate, respiration rate, and oxygen saturation. And it's composed of two pieces, a reusable electronics package and a disposable sensor-embedded patch. Now, the separation of these two parts of the device allows us to reduce costs by keeping all the electronics in the reusable package and reducing infection transmission through the disposable patch. Our device also wirelessly transmits all the vital signs to various display sources such as smartphones, monitors, or what else they might have on site. Now, we believe this brings value to the entire healthcare setting, the patients by reducing their cost of care and adding safety to procedures, to the healthcare staff by allowing for continuous monitoring and reducing wire clutter around the patient's bed, and to the healthcare system as a whole by lowering the capital investment required and the cost burden associated with healthcare. Now, to date, we've been able to successfully measure heart rate and respiration rate with our prototype, and we're developing our disposable patches using flexible circuitry placed on adhesive hydrogel. We're also developing an interface between the patch and electronics that'll inhibit patch reuse, which will mitigate infection risk from reuse in the third world. And with that, I'd like to thank you.